Hi, of course today we're going to be looking at this particular sneakers. I had the sneakers, I kept it at home, and because the sole is made of PU sole, it began to disintegrate and break, so I had to actually replace it. I'm sure you want to see what this look like after the revamping. Sit back, I'm gonna be right back. Yes, so I went to the market. I got a 10 millimeter EVA foam. It's popularly called Mako here in Nigeria. So I placed my sneakers on top of it after I've removed the old sole and sandpaper it properly well. So I am going to be, of course, applying the contact cement adhesive because that's the most appropriate when you are using EVA foam. It's dry already. I'm going to place it right on top of it. Now if you look at this, you find out that the sole on top of it initially was covering some part of it, the edges, so I had to get a welt. The welt was not covering it well. I added 4 millimeter EVA foam, the black one, to it, to the welt I bought, the white welt I bought. So I added it on that. That's why you're having black and white right there. So I'm using my shoe glue to just place and position it by the side so that it can cover the side of this particular, those side that was open due to the kind of sole that was used initially. As you can see, I have actually done that. We are just gonna trim this all off. So I'm going to take it to the grinding machine and go ahead and grind it. If you're watching my channel for the first time, all we do is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. And of course, if you would love to join our online classes or you're in Abuja, Nigeria, you want to learn shoemaking basically from the basic things, I need you to know that you can send us a DM, you can send us a WhatsApp message 080-688-90693. You can definitely send us a WhatsApp message there. And at the same time, we have our YouTube channel. Of course, you can check our profile on YouTube. You will see all of the necessary link to access our Instagram, our Facebook right there. So, and if you would like to work with us, yes, we are available. You can see how I'm fully kitted here. Okay, you can see what the final look of our sneakers revamp look like. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, ensure you like, subscribe and share. Don't forget to also follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, of course on TikTok at Jibbyfemforte. And also, if you would love to join our online class, like I said, you can send us a DM on any of our Instagram handle at social media handle rather at Jibbyfemforte. Trust me when I say I love you from the bottom of my heart, and ensure you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you want to keep seeing us, you can also take it to another level by clicking the join button and for supporting this channel financially to keep us going. Thank you once again, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.